Do you want to know how you can add payments methods on your Temu account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add the payment methods on Temu. Go ahead and open Temu on your Chrome OS browser, log into your account, and you can see your account over here. Click on your account settings, it will take you to this page. On the left hand side, if you scroll a bit down, you can see your payment methods. Click on it and you can see there is an option of add a credit card or debit card. Go ahead and click on this link. Now what you need to do is write down your card number. So go ahead and take out your card from your wallet, write down the card number over here. Then write down the expiry date, the month, year, and the last one is CVV, which is the 3 to 4 digit code which is behind your ATM card. So after you write this, go ahead and click add your card and also mention the billing address. After you choose your billing address, click add your card, and then this way you can choose or you can add your payment methods on Temu. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.